Hi guys, welcome to another painting video. Well, this time I just had to go shovel the damn snow again. Well, this time we're gonna do again the string technique, but we're gonna do it in a way that it's usually done, meaning that the first acrylic you put in for the background should be more diluted with water, but without any medium in. Then the paint you use to do the string with, you do it usually with your acrylic with just a very little bit of water to dilute it, not too much. So like we did last time, we did it on a dry canvas, which we did over a work that we already done in the past, but this time we're going to do it on the wet side of things, and we're going to see what happens. As you're going to see, I used my string, cotton string, which I think it's better. It holds better the acrylic, but I often like to damp in water my string just to make it more adhesive with the acrylic, which you do on your painting. So let's go and see what happens. Again, guys, welcome back. I think, well, I hope you're gonna agree with me that it's something that we did and it's a success. I think that as you might have saw, I use two different techniques with the string. I used the string which was a bit wet with water before putting in my acrylic. Then I use it my string which was dry. I have to tell you that I like more when the string is dry, just before putting it in the acrylic. I think the result is better. I think it's supposed, when you put it in water first, it's supposed to add more acrylic to your string, but I just find out that from what I see and what I experience, it was the opposite. The work was better with the string which was dry. So anyway, guys, I hope you like it. I hope you're gonna try it, because it's kind of easy. It's kind of messy also, though, depending on how you go about it. For me, it was kind of messy because I wasn't sure when to stop, but I think I like the result, and I hope you do too. So guys, like always, please subscribe, leave a comment, and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next video. Take care, guys. Ciao.